a printer in vain. I think I'm up to no good, 'cause I was programmed to do all of the bad things you say. I am a robot like you. You're not reading the right books. In fact, you've never opened a real book. You're cooked and you're fed into the grinder. I won't eat ya, it's not you. It's the feeling in my teeth. Who can hit ya like a pinata and not wanna grab the goods? They call it harassment, I call it a warning. They think you are kidding, it's only the beginning. I call it satanic, they call it rebellion. I call it swallowed the wrong pill, he enjoyed the wrong thrill. Now you're in a cult, now you're in a cult and you don't know it. Now you are a sheep, now you are a sheep and you don't know it. We've always been creeps, we've always been creeps and we show it. So they keep us locked up like dirty secrets, no one left to protect it.